Welcome back, everyone. We are here at Harriman State Park for another photography quickie. We're at Stahahe, I believe it's called that, Stahahe or Stahahe Creek. Not too far, about a mile or so from the trailhead. And I just wanted to come out here. It's one of my favorite places within driving distance, Harriman. But I did not have a lot of time. We'll try a 3-stop ND. It should be all I need, and if we need the polarizer, we'll add that as well. So here is my basic composition. This is on 4K, so it's cropped just a bit. But I like the idea of the stream trickling down from the top with the water flow here and here moving out of the frame. Plus these leaves interspersed with the green moss. That really does it for me. I do have to put on a polarizer just to get rid of this type of reflection here. We'll have to see. Maybe it will help with the motion of the water. We'll have to see about that. But definitely need an ND filter as well. Nice little scene. One thing I am not a fan of about this camera or this lens, every time it powers off, it zooms back out to the 18mm setting instead of keeping the focus and the composition of where it had it. Entirely frustrating. Some minor adjustments just to tidy up the corners. And we're at a 1-second exposure. I wanted to make this a little bit longer, but there's a little bit of light in one section, just the barest amount on some of the leaves. And that little bit of light would definitely overexpose if I left it at 2 seconds. I forgot to focus after I recomposed. So, putting my hand up just to make sure I know the next shot is the one I want to keep. In the end, I think this is more of a fun exercise than a wonderful picture. It's always good to practice, and I definitely underexposed on purpose. I've always found with any type of long exposure, I don't love the histogram within the camera, and every time I expose with the histogram in mind, it blows out some of the highlights. So I'll underexpose and bring back up any shadows if I need to. What you're witnessing now is me signing off for the day and asking you to get out and explore. But lucky for me, still on Stahahe Brook Trail on the way out, I noticed a scene up a hill that I just had to stop and see if I can sniff out a good composition. What attracted me to the scene was the open spaces between the tree trunks and the green forest floor, thanks to the moss, with many of the freshly fallen yellow leaves on top. That, coupled with both green and yellow leaves still on the trees, it was just so bright and so vivid, I had to walk up this hill and see what I could compose. Let's listen in and see what I had to say. Okay, and here we are, dappled light, really trying to make sure that the vast majority of the trees were not crossing each other. I could not get them all. I think it's impossible right now. But what I think makes this stand out the most is this yellow and green early autumn leaves on the ground, just warm tones to this photo. Plus, there are so many green, mossy, small clumps over on top of a variety of rocks that really adds to this image as well. So it's all yellow, all green. I don't even mind the blue skies peeking through the treetops. And maybe that's because it's on a hill. I like this one. This one might actually turn out better than the last one. I'm excited. Okay, now this time it's officially a wrap. Thank you very much for watching. Get out to Harriman and get out and explore anywhere.